Hello guys, you are welcome in my channel. Today I will talk about very interesting facts about phone. So without further delay, let's get into it. Mobile phones have become such an integral part of our daily life. In past decades, we rarely see a people without phone nowadays. We know about the facts like smartphone was first introduced, where was the camera phone first introduced, and which number is more than PC. So without further delay, let's get started. Fact number 1. The first smartphone was called Simon, manufactured by Mitsubishi Electric and developer was IBM company in August 16, 1994. It supported calendar app, world clock, fax, email, notepad, world clock, game and so on. Its cost around $1,000. Fact number 2. The first phone call was made in 1973 in April, while the first text message was sent out in December 1992. Fact number 3. The first camera phone was released in Japan and in 2000. Fact number 4. The modern smartphones are more powerful than the equipment used in the satellite Apollo 11 landing moon, and they are now used as a cheap satellite. Apollo 11 start date was 16 July 1969. Fact number 5. The best Apple smartphone selling is the iPhone 5s. Over 70 million units have been sold since its launch in 2013. Fact number 6. The most expensive phone was Swatch Hughes iPhone 5 Black Diamond that cost around 10 million pounds, which is equal to $15 million. Fact number 7. The best-selling mobile devices are Nokia 1100 and 1110. The two bars released in 2003 and 2005 respectively. Both have sold around 2050 million units. Fact number 8. India is the one of the fastest growing smartphone markets in the world. Fact number 9. Every ad for Apple smartphone shows 9:41 a.m. because that's the time when Steve Jobs announced the first iPhone in 2007. Fact number 10. The first commercial phone was weighted around 2.5 pounds. The average weight of today's smartphone are 250 grams. Fact number 11. The old Nokia SMS ringtone beep 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 represent the letters of SMS in the Morse code. Fact number 12. Mobile phones sold in Japan are mostly waterproof, so they can be used in the shower time also. Fact number 13. Scientists have developed a way of charge your phone using urine. Fact number 14. 1 ton of mobile waste contains 60 times more gold than the gold of 1 ton ore. Fact number 15. Throwing mobile phone is official game in Finland. Fact number 16. Mobile phones are 80 times more contaminated by bacteria than toilet. Fact number 17. Mobile phones are most commonly used device to check the time. 18. The average person unlocks their smartphone 110 times every day. Fact number 19. 91% of adults keep their smartphone within arm's touch. Fact number 20. Over 80% of smartphones are run on Android. Fact number 21. The fear of being without smartphone or losing signal is called nomophobia. Fact number 22. The first GPS phone was released in 1999 and it was Benfone FC. Fact number 23. People can suffer from anxiety, a physiocognitive phenomena, when you hear or feel your phone is ringing when it was not. Fact number 24. There are more than a billion mobile phone active subscription in China. Fact number 25. Roughly 33% of people either lose or break their phone. Fact number 26. In 2013, 21% of car accidents were related to the use of mobile phone in US. Fact number 27. Can you believe that the population of Hong Kong is only 7.2 billion, while the active mobile phones is 17.4 million, more than double. Fact number 28. About 40% of smartphones were stolen between 12 to 5 p.m. and the places are railway station, marketplace, holy place and many more. Fact number 29. Do you know that there are more number of mobile phones than PCs? One PC is equal to 5 phones in the world is active now. Fact number 30. 11% of smartphone theft happen at workplace. Fact number 31. According to a survey, there are 6.8 million people present on the planet and 4 million of them have own mobile phones. The last and the bonus fact of today's video. Most people buy the phone seeing the camera quality rather than the feature present in them. And after buying a phone, they first check camera qualities of their phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.